menstrual cycle takes place due to the breakdown of endometrial lining of uterus. Endometrial lining present in the uterus gets shed off, breaks down, and moves with some amount of blood also, and along with that the ova, which has been transferred into the uterus through fallopian tube, has also been released out if it has not been fertilized. So now see the next things, what happens there. And now blood vessels and blood, so from where it comes out, menstrual flow occurs through vagina, via vagina. So the menstrual flow will take place through the vagina because of the rupturing of blood vessels, releasing of blood vessels, and so many other things. Endometrial lining of uterus as well as the blood vessels. Yes, also we can add here blood vessels will be here also responsible. Now the menstrual phase is nearly taking place only when egg is not fertilized. Egg is not fertilized. When the egg is not fertilized, then only this will take place. Otherwise, the menstruation will not take place. Menstrual phase will absent there. It means lack of menstruation. Lack of menstruation. Lack of menstruation leads to the lack of menstruation leads to the indication of pregnancy. That means the ova has been fertilized in the fallopian tube. That's why this will not take place. But it might be also due to the some other reasons like stress, poor health, etc. But also possible by lack of menstruation is also possible by stress, poor health, etc. So this might also be the reason that menstrual phase is not coming out, because there will be either the case of pregnancy, or there will be the reasons of the stress or the poor health of the female body. So it has been now getting over. This menstrual phase is one phase. Now the next phase, just after the menstrual phase that comes here, that is called follicular phase. Follicular phase. Keep remember, I told you the events of menstrual cycle runs into the ovary as well as in uterus. So now from here, where at one place the follicular phase is taking place in the ovary, on the other hand the proliferative phase, follicular as well as proliferative phase, is taking place also there in case of uterus. What is the meaning of this thing? Follicular phase of the ovary means the primary follicles is growing and becoming the matured Graafian follicle. So in ovary, primary follicles getting grown and becoming the matured Graafian follicles. This is the event taking place in the ovary. Because of the so many hormonal activities are also which we will see later, but what events are there actually we will see first. Now on the other hand, in case of uterus, what happens? Proliferation. Proliferation of what? Proliferation of uterine endometrial lining. So in uterus, regeneration of endometrial lining is taking place. That is the proliferative phase, means proliferative phase is taking place in the uterus. Remember, uterus endometrial line has been shed off, released out. So it means the endometrial lining has been disintegrated in the uterus. Now in that uterine cavity, to continue the menstrual cycle in a cyclic way, there is the need of regeneration of endometrial lining, and that will take place in case of proliferative phase. So this is the proliferative phase which is responsible to, and how it has been taking place. These changes are taking place by change in level of both changes. Such changes by change in level of ovarian and uterine hormones. The level of ovarian and uterine hormones are making some changes. How these changes will take place, we will see in the next class, and we will try to finish